Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Drift AI Chatbot by Drift, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Drift AI Chatbot, first, visit the Drift website at drift.com. Create an account if you don't have one already. After signing in, navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard. Scroll down to find the option for Chatbot and click on it. Select the Get Started button to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to choose a plan that best suits your needs. Once you make a selection, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Next, you'll be guided to set up your chatbot's initial configurations. This includes choosing a name for your chatbot and adding a welcome message. Customize the default responses to fit your brand voice. You can also set up routing for specific inquiries to the appropriate team members. After configuring, the next step is to install the Drift script on your website. Copy the provided Drift JavaScript snippet to your clipboard. Access your website's HTML code through your content management system. Paste the Drift script just before the closing /body tag. Save the changes and publish your website. Return to your Drift dashboard and select Test your chatbot. Interact with your chatbot to ensure it functions properly. Adjust any settings as needed based on your testing feedback. Once satisfied, your Drift AI chatbot is fully installed and ready to engage with visitors. Monitor its performance regularly to optimize responses and improve user experience. That's how you successfully install the Drift AI chatbot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.